how to use greater than, less than, and equal symbols. To start, let's identify these symbols. Greater than, less than, equal to. These symbols may seem confusing, but they're really quite easy to use. To help us understand how to appropriately use greater than, less than, and equal symbols, let's imagine these symbols are alligators. Here we have a hungry alligator. Not only is this alligator hungry, he is very greedy as well. The hungry alligator always wants to eat the larger amount of food. So, in this picture, the hungry alligator opens his mouth toward the larger group of fish. This alligator represents the greater than symbol. We know he represents the greater than symbol because his mouth is open toward the left. Here we have another hungry alligator. This alligator is also greedy and he also wants to eat the larger amount of food. So, in this picture, the hungry alligator opens his mouth toward the larger group of fish. This alligator represents the less than symbol. We know he represents the less than symbol because his mouth is open toward the right. Now we know that the first hungry alligator in this picture represents the greater than symbol because his mouth opens toward the left, and the second hungry alligator in this picture represents the less than symbol because his mouth opens towards the right. Even though we know this, it is still easy to confuse the two symbols. Here's a tip to avoid confusion. The less than symbol looks like an L. L for less than. Moving on to the last symbol. Here we have an alligator that is not hungry at all, but he does not want to waste food, so he shares his food equally with all his friends. In this picture, the alligator keeps his mouth closed because he's not hungry, sitting between two equal groups of fish. The alligator represents the equal symbol. Now let's take our imaginary groups of fish and translate them into numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3 fish translates to the number 3. Now, this picture looks much more like math, doesn't it? We still have a hungry alligator, but instead of opening his mouth toward the larger group of fish, he is opening his mouth toward the larger number. Which symbol does this hungry alligator represent? The greater than symbol, as his mouth is open towards the left. Once again, we have a hungry alligator opening his mouth toward the larger number. Which symbol does this hungry alligator represent? The less than symbol, as his mouth is open toward the right and he resembles the letter L. Now we have the not so hungry alligator sitting between two equal numbers and representing the equal symbol. Do you think you understand how to use greater than, less than, and equal symbols? Let's find out. Here we have the number 9 and the number 5. Which symbol belongs between the two numbers? The greater than symbol. Stringing these numbers and symbols together makes a number sentence that we can read as 9 is greater than 5. Let's try another one. We have the number 4 and the number 7. Which symbol belongs between the two numbers? The less than symbol. We can read this number sentence as 4 is less than 7. Last one, we have the number 10 and the number 10. Which symbol belongs between the two numbers? The equal symbol. We can read this number sentence as 10 is equal to 10. Great job! I hope you furthered your understanding of using greater than, less than, and equal symbols. Thanks for watching!